Hey guys, welcome back. Avengers Endgame is out and everybody is going crazy. And yeah, if you haven't watched the movie yet, well, thumbs up because I'm not gonna give any spoilers in this video. So everybody is talking about the movie, the social media is full of it, and with all this hype, even Google has joined the celebration by releasing a Infinity Easter egg. Well, you could say that because from this, you can use all the 6 Infinity Stones and do the snap. Yes, you can do it. Well, not to wipe out half the population, but half the Google searches. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. So it is very simple. First step, just search THANOS on Google. And now your Google page will open just like any other one. Some information about the character, some images, some videos, and some websites like Wikipedia and other ones. So, what is the difference? Well, not anything else, but when you scroll in the top, in the right, you will see this Infinity Gauntlet. Well, this is not there for everything else. So what's it doing over here? Let's try to click it. Let's see what happens if we click the gauntlet. Whoa, what's happening? Where are all the searches going? Did you see that? Half of the searches just vanished. Gone. Just see, there are no searches in between. They have disappeared. So, what about them now? Of course we need them back, we need the information. So what to do? Well, this is the part which most of the people don't know. How to bring them back. Well, it's easy, just click the gauntlet again. And did you see that? It used the time stone. And if you scroll down, you'll see, well, all the searches are back. So I think that's a cool little Easter egg, and thanks to Google for putting this on their page. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.